In front of me is Xiaomi 13 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down to access passwords and security. Then click on screen lock and tap on the best login methods for you: pattern, PIN or password. Now you need to wait 5 seconds and select Got it in the pop-up. Finally, you can create your login method and repeat it in order to confirm it. When you finished, choose Confirm at the bottom right corner. In order to add your fingerprint right away, choose Add in the pop-up and follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. I will go with Cancel though. So when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!